Hi guys, so I received this LED pendant light with adjustable height option for event purposes. And it's really, really nice if you want to put it like inside of your bed, something like that, on your cupboard, whenever you want to put it. It comes with anything you need to install it right here. So let's open up and install it. Okay, as you can see, it's ready. It's really, really sleek and unnoticeable at simple sight, but once it turns on, it gives this amazing warm light that will be perfect to put some ambient whenever you want to put it, albeit your bedroom, your diner, whatever you want to put it. Even in a bar, I think this will look amazing upon a bar. They give, as I've said, a really, really warm light. It keeps cozy vibes. And it's a modern finish, like kind of like industrial by the way of it, but it's really, really nice. I like them a lot. It's really, really nice, and it's very discreet. That's something that I like to about this one. It's very discreet, so yeah, I would recommend them. See ya.